Hello, assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. Okay, now today my lecture is about orthogonal trajectory. My lecture is about orthogonal trajectory. First we define orthogonal trajectory. What is this? What do you mean by orthogonal trajectory? In simple words, curves are orthogonal curves. First you understand about the orthogonal curves. The curves are orthogonal when the curves are intersecting at one point. At that point, tangents to the both curves are orthogonal. Then the curves are said to be orthogonal curves. Let's read. See, two curves are said to be orthogonal if the tangents at the both curves at their point of intersection are orthogonal. Now we see orthogonal trajectory. Let f of x y c equals 0. C is a parameter, and f of x y equal k equals 0. These are two different family of curves where secant parameters. If each curve in the either family each curve in the either family intersected orthogonally by every curve in other family, then each family is orthogonal trajectory of the other. Means that this will be orthogonal trajectory of this, and this will be orthogonal trajectory of this, of one and other. Okay, let's see an example. Question is that find orthogonal trajectory of the family of curves. This family of curves x square plus y square equals c. So you know that this is a family of circles. This is the family of circles. The different value of c, this gives us the different circles, different size of circles. C will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Okay, radius, c is the radius. Okay, x square plus y square. First you differentiate it with respect to x on both sides. You will get this derivative, dy by dx minus x over y. This is the slope of the tangent to the curve. Now we have to find the slope of the tangent of the other curve, which is orthogonal to this, that the other tangent is perpendicular to this, so that the slope of the other tangent, which is perpendicular, will be equal to minus y over x. Negative reciprocal. Let us see in the next. Look at this derivative. I rewrite derivative dy by dx equals minus x over y. Now the differential equation of orthogonal trajectory to 1 will be dy by dx minus 1, means negative reciprocal minus 1 over minus x over y, means y over x. dy by dx y over x, this is the separable differential equation. Now you separate the variables on both sides. Y and x are separated here, y and x are separated here. You see, now integrating on both sides, we get natural log of y equals natural log plus this is the constant of integration. This can be written as natural log of cx. The log is cancelled on both sides. Y equals cx, which is the orthogonal trajectory of the given family of circles. This is the equation. This is the family of straight lines passing through origin. Okay, now you can also find, if you are given this orthogonal trajectory, then you can find the orthogonal trajectory, which is the family of circles, which is the given. Let's see. We solve this equation in the other example. If we are given that family of straight lines passing through origin, we have to find the orthogonal trajectory to this. Let us see. Y equals kx, differential with respect to x. K, this value of k will be eliminated. Is putting in 1, we get y equals dy by dx x. K is replaced by dy by dx into 1. We get this. This is the slope of the tangent to this family of lines. So the differential equation, right? Differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory to 1 will be equal to negative reciprocal derivative minus x over y. This will be reciprocal. This will be inversed. This will be reversed. Minus x over y. This is again separable equation. You will separate the x and y variables Okay, now integrating both sides, integrated I sides, you will get this is and this is again the circle, which is again the, so call this will be equal to c square constant. You can say this is c square, the x y square plus x square equal to c square, which is family of circles which is orthogonal trajectory of the previous of the given family of straight lines. Thank you for watching. If you understand, if you that this lecture is useful to you, is important to you, then please give one like to this video and subscribe my channel. I will be very thankful to you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.